this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today it is snowing, so it is drawing me to do a snow manicure. I have got 4 nails here that I'm going to do snowflakes on with a little bit of bling. So I've got the black nails, cured those for 60 seconds, no wrinkles, which is great. I've got this new beautiful stamper from Delory. Came in this really cool, cute box. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that. That is just so cute with the little bow. This is a double-headed stamper. You've got 2 stampers built in one with a little bit of bling in the bottom. No, you cannot use the bling. It is there for looks. But we are going to be using this stamper here today. I'm going to take this over and prime my stamper. It's got something on it. There we go. It came with this really cute scraper, so we'll be using that as well. Got my paper towel handy, using Maniology's Bam White. I do have a 10% off code to Maniology. Please use it. I'll put that down in the description box as well as across the bottom of the screen somewhere. So the 2 stamping plates I'm going to use is BM for Bundle Monster, which is now Maniology, BM-802. And I will be using, not too sure where I got this one from, XY-A08. So I'll be using these 2 plates with the snowflakes on my nails. So I'm going to take these off the stand. Be doing the big nail first, just to get different kind of snowflakes all over the nail. See how this little scraper works? Oh, it looks great. Get your stamper. Beautiful pickup. Get your roller and take off anything extra that you don't want. There we go. Oh, you can't see with the bottom on. So we'll be taking the bottom off so we can see where we're going with our snowflake. Oh, we missed a piece. There we go. Clean your stamper. And your plate with every image. Whoops. I'm making a mess. Ain't it the way? There we go. We are going to clean off some images here. So I just want the big snowflake for now. There we go. Stamper works beautifully. We could do this as a stamping tutorial. Clean your plate. Clean your plate and your stamper with every image. Let's see here. Take your polish over your image, scrape, slightly roll over, and you have a beautiful pickup. Take your stamper, your lint roller, and take off any excess image you don't want. Here we go. So I'm going to do this on a few nails. I've not learned how to speed my video up yet, so I'm going to pause this, and I'll be back. Alright, we are back for our last and final nail. I've done the 2 off camera. I did the first one with you. And I'm going to take some of the itty bitty little snowflakes down here at the bottom. Scrape those images. roll the stamper over and get your lint roller to take off anything you don't want. So I'm going to move this off camera slightly so I can get everything I do not want. There we go. We have got the 3 itty bitty little stars. I'm going to randomly place those on the nail. Whoops. Clean my lint roller now. Make sure you clean this in between each image as well as your plate. That way you get crisp, clean images. Let me see. This image here. Got things rolling out at me for Valentine's Day. Clean your stamper good. There we go. There is nothing to me like a beautiful snowflake manicure, especially when it's snowing outside. It's dark out because I like to film in the wee hours of the morning. I'm getting parched. Hold on. Sorry about that. So this is like the nighttime sky and it's snowing. So yeah, this is my nighttime sky. You'll see as I go along. I'm going to add some bling to it. That will be my nighttime sky with like the stars. Oh, I should have brought a star out too. I didn't think about that. Here we go. I think we're going to call that one a day. Clean my stamper and get this all put away. Sorry for reaching in front of the camera again. I'll leave that there. Here was my practice nail just to show you what I'm going for. So, let me get everything put away and cleaned up and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I have went and applied some of the bling all on my own, just to give you an idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going to take the top coat, that's what I use to hold it on with, since these are just on a nail stand. But if you were using real nails, you might want to use, I don't know, builder gel, nail glue, depends if you plan on using them again. There's multiple things you could use. Here I've named off a few for you. So if you're using bling, you probably already know, right? I'm gonna stick this one. Well, I'm not gonna stick it in yet. So it's gonna flash cure it. I'll do that in just a minute. I'm gonna randomly place my little twinkles all over the nail. Now I'm going to take this to flash cure it for 5 seconds, because my lamp can do that. And we will take our last and final nail. Whoops. After I'm done, I will stick these in and cure them for the full 60. These are just a flash cure to hold the gems in place. So evenly spread your top coat about. I'm using my little bit bigger gems to place in the center of the snowflakes. And the other end to push them into place. And I bet you I wasn't even in frame, was I? Oh man. If I wasn't, I'm really sorry. Whoops. I moved the position of my camera, so I'm not where I think I am, evidently. I would like to say how funny, but it's not. Not at all. Okay. Let me see. Probably got too many on here. But can you have too much? Can you have too much bling? I think it looks really pretty. Nighttime sky twinkling at you. You put this in for a flash cure now. And then I'm gonna put everybody on the stand in no order because they're not in any order, they're just here. And make sure I got no gems laying about. I got one. I got uno. So let's put those away, put our wax sticker upper away, top coat away. We are finished with our mani. We'll put these back in now for a full cure. Just to be certain. So while that is in there cooking, I'm going to babble on to you for just a quick second. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell and click all so that you're notified of all future videos that I upload. I upload 3 times a week. Check me out on Instagram. I am just nailed it. I used to be nailed at 67, and I did a name change on there, so I had my YouTube name. Excuse me, I'm parched. I had to get a quick little drinky. So yeah, check me out on Instagram so you can see other nail art that you don't see here. You'll see swatches and other little goodies that you don't see here. So check me out there on Instagram. Just nailed it. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen. Remember, I have a Maniology code which will be on the screen somewhere. I'll place that up here again, as well as in the description box with all my other 10% off codes. I don't think people read my description box. Tell me, let me know, do you read it? Because I've got codes down there, ladies. Check them out. So here we go with our mani, our nighttime sky twinkling, and our snowflakes. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Is it snowing where you're at? Let me know that too. Have a blessed day. Thank you.